Setting up AI agents such as OpenClaw would take hours, servers, configurations. But what if you can install this with a click of a button, running 24/7? The tool we are testing today is SkyClaw, a fully managed version of OpenClaw built by Skywork AI. Instead of installing everything yourself, you can launch an AI agent instantly. AI news delivered daily at 9 a.m. Effortless distribution of high-performing content. Fixed a bug while walking the dog. I was able to start this OpenClaw instantly and ask you to perform a task. Also, I was able to automate repetitive tasks using scheduler. And it has access to its own computer. So the agent can use this to perform tasks. And I'm going to take you through step by step. That's exactly what we're going to see today. Let's get started. Thanks to Skywork AI for sponsoring this video. What makes this different is that AI can run on its own computer. It can open a browser, search the web, run CLI commands, and complete complex autonomous tasks. You can easily set up OpenClaw with the click of a button. I'll provide the link in the description for you to sign up. So once after you sign up, you can run this instance for 1 hour completely for free. During that time, you can test it out and see if you like it. To get started, click this Claim Your SkyClaw button, and that'll ask you to sign up, where you can sign up. And I'm naming it as Mervin Praisen, choosing an avatar and clicking continue. Now I need to choose how I want to trigger this bot. So I'm going to use Telegram. Now I need to enter the bot token. I will quickly connect this with Telegram with BotFather. It takes just 30 seconds. So go to your Telegram account and then click BotFather. There you can type /new bot. Now you got the access token. So copying this access token and then I'm pasting it here and clicking confirm. Now I need a pairing code. Going back to my Telegram. So I've got the bot created here. So clicking on that, clicking start, and you got the pairing code here. So copying the pairing code, which is displayed here, and going back to my Skybot portal, entering the pairing code and clicking confirm. And now it's ready. I'm going to click continue, and congratulations, your assistant Mervin Praisen is ready. Now it's opening. This is my own computer, which the bot has access. And now I'm going to perform a task. So as you can see on the left hand side, you got all the options, same like OpenClaw, but this is a managed version. So you don't need to control anything. Everything is managed behind the scenes. So you got overview, channels, and everything same as usual. Let's now test a research task. Automatically gather AI frontier news for me every day. Summarize the key points and send them to me automatically. And then clicking send. Now you can see my bot started working. You can see here automatically it opened the browser, and you can also interact with the browser. AI frontier news for today. So that is really good. The AI bot having its own computer. Now let's test a startup idea workflow. Find a trending open source repo, turn it into a product plan, target users, positioning, MVP scope, pricing, landing page copy, and 7-day execution check. Clicking send. Now you can see it's going to the trending GitHub packages, and here's the full computer. It's really nice to see the bot is having control throughout the computer. And this is a dedicated computer. It's much more secured compared to running on your own computer. So this can perform tasks only when you provide access. And here it gave me what I asked for. The product plan, agent forge, agency agents, target user, positioning, MVP scope, pricing hypothesis, landing page copy, 7-day execution check, fork and setup, backend API, front-end scaffold, integration, payments and limits, refinement, and then launch. This is all really nice. Now let's test automated content generation. Build a 30-day content growth plan for my niche. I want daily post ideas, hooks, calls to action, a distribution plan, metrics to track, and weekly review loop. And then clicking send. Now it started performing the task. And now you can see the things what we asked for. It processed the request. AI agentic workflows for solo founders and agencies. Week 1, education and the problem, awareness. Week 2, proof and showcasing. Week 3, week 4. Then we got the distribution plan, metrics to track, the weekly review loop. That is really nice. I'm going to ask follow-up question. Refine this to be more budget friendly and for AI developers. And this is the follow-up request. And now I got the finalized plan now. Week 1, week 2, week 3, everything is really nice. I can schedule tasks like a cron job. For example, send me latest AI news every day morning at 9 a.m. and clicking send. That will automatically set a cron job. As you can see here, daily AI news will be scheduled here. So every day morning at 9 a.m. you will get the news. And here you can see the job. Daily AI news. Fetch and summarize the latest AI news for developers. And I can even run and test. That is really nice. You can configure skills if you want to. You can create multiple agents. You can update the config and much more configuration options. After testing SkyClaw, 3 things stands out. It's the easiest way to run OpenClaw. It automates a repetitive task. The AI runs on its own computer and runs 24/7. And you can ask it to perform any task at any time, even directly from your Telegram or Discord. You can even connect many other channels such as Discord, WhatsApp, and much more. Most AI agents are reactive. They wait for your prompt and disappear. SkyClaw is proactive. It stays online, tracks your objectives, and keeps executing until the job is done. SkyClaw is now available to Skywork Plus subscribers. And with the Ultra membership, it gets even better. You can choose from top tier models like Opus 4.6, Gemini 3.1 Pro, GPT 5.4 and more, instead of being locked into one model. The value is hard to ignore too. The Ultra plan includes premium model token credits worth 5x the membership price. That means $249.9 per month gives you $1,250 in tokens, and $2,440 per year gives you $15,000 in tokens. If you're a heavy OpenClaw user or regularly use premium AI models, that makes a huge difference. You can run your AI assistant unlimitedly, use the best models available, and get far more value back in usage. If you want to try SkyClaw, the link is in the description. You can launch your own AI assistant in minutes, test it free for 1 hour and get 20% off. Do try and let me know in the comments below what you think about this. I hope you like this video. Do like, share and subscribe, and thanks.